Good day, RK Figs here. Just coming at you today with a new fig that I have never shown before. I've had a few of these already, and I wanted to share one with you guys. This is Texas Peach. Okay, now this tree is still in its first year. I am 100% sure that the figs will taste even better than what they're already tasting like, but they already taste incredible. And this fig is definitely a keeper. I don't know what to compare it with. Maybe like an improved Celeste, but definitely a better tasting one. It's very prolific. It's in its first year, and it's created so many figs, and it's not stopping. Even though we got the cold weather, you could see there it's still trying to put on another set of figlets, and I should probably pinch it, but I don't really need to at this point. Our season is winding down, and I'm not sure how much more I'm going to get out of it, but this thing tastes amazing. I'll give you an idea of the inside. It's like a super sweet sugar figgy taste that I absolutely love. So highly recommend this one, Texas Peach. I should have some cuttings this year because this thing has grown like crazy, and I want to keep it shaped a little bit differently.